Everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I will be showing you how to open or create a Shopee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you want. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL type in shopee.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this page. First of all, you have to select the country. Scroll down a bit. From there, select your country or region. After that, you will land on the official page of Shopee. Now, in order to create an account, head over to the upper right corner of this interface. There, you will get sign up button just in front of login button. Click on sign up, and on the next page, you will land on sign up page. At your right hand side, you can simply sign up using your phone number. Enter your phone number, and on the next page, you will be asked to enter your further information. Or else, you can also sign up using your Facebook account or your Google account. Here, I will continue with my Google account. So click on Google. After that, you will be asked to choose an account. Then click on continue. Once you do that, you will be directly logged into your Shopee account, and that's how you create or open an account in Shopee. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.